What is up, y'all? And welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, today I'm doing like a everyday kind of errands vlog. So before we get into it, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle Honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. Now, y'all, this camera is very, very, like, up close. It's real up close, but, I mean, whatever. So, as y'all can tell, I'm in the driveway. Y'all, I have to run a couple of errands. I need to get my necklace repaired. The clasp or the claw on it is broken. So I'm going to drop it off at the jewelry store to get repaired. That's why I only got 2 of them on. Also, I'm trying a new lip oil from my very own brand. And I'm going to try the blueberry. So, and y'all know my hands always ashy because I literally just washed them. Y'all wash my hands all the time. So when y'all see my hands ashy, honey, I don't care. But I'm going to try blueberry because y'all know that I did get some of these just for like people like random stuff or whatever like that. My go-to is like a pink or a sheer or a nude. But I'm going to try blueberry. And I'm almost certain that it will go on clear. I don't think it will go on as blue as it is. Let's show the logo. I don't think it'll go on as blue as it is, but we're just going to try a new one today. Also, y'all need to know how they look. Yeah, it goes on clear, which is good. Because I don't know that I will wear blue lip gloss or lipstick or anything. So y'all can tell it does go on clear. It smells really, really good. I like that. And y'all, this is a lip oil. And you see how thick it is. I love, love, love that. And this will be on for a very long time unless I'm like eating or drinking or something like that. Then of course you may have to reapply. But blueberry definitely is a hit. So y'all make sure that y'all do shop my website to get the lip oils and the lip glosses. I do have 2 lip stains as well, and they're noted in the description on the website which ones are lip stains. But y'all, this is very good. Love it. And y'all see it didn't take much to apply. So we rocking blueberry today. Y'all know my favorite. I'll show y'all. Again, because I'm like a pink girl, whatever. Mercury is my favorite. Which it also goes on clear, but it has like a small hint of pink. But it's not as pink as it looks in the tube. But we rocking blueberry today, as y'all can tell. And y'all, I just have a clean face. My eyes are kind of irritated, so I didn't want to wear eyeliner or nothing like that. But let me just show y'all. Oh, I don't even have my eyeliner in this purse. I am carrying my new purse that I just got from TJ Maxx, y'all. I've been carrying the Guess one for 2 days. But I switched to this cute little saddle bag for today. I'll show y'all my outfit when I get out the car. I'm also vlogging on my phone. But anyway, I gotta call the insurance company, and I need to drop off 2 cups somebody purchased, or 2 cups, and I'll show y'all. They got the purple and they got green. Let me put this in this box. And I gotta go get I need to get some custom bags, y'all. Because I've been just going and buying bags. Like the little kind of, you know, once you seal them, you can't unseal it unless you rip the whole bag. I don't even know what this is called. But this person got green. And they got the purple cup. So I'm about to go to the post office and drop these off. And then I will email them their tracking number. Thank you all for your purchases. Again, my website definitely is always in the description box. And I will put it on the screen at random in this vlog. But y'all, let's get going. Because I got a few things I need to do. I also need to get something to cook. I don't know what. I'm going to look on TikTok or something, y'all, for some kind of meal. I talked to baby and he doesn't know what he wants to eat. So I'm going to cook something. What else do I have to do? Oh, I'm going to get my toes done for sure because they are ran over. And I'm thinking about getting my nails done. Y'all know I type at work, but I kind of want me some little long nails a little bit. And then again, I kind of want them short, how I always get them. I don't know yet, y'all. But I'm going to get my nails and toes done for sure. But let's just get going, y'all. Niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ryan around with Trace, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in image, a picture, bro. They look bro, this nigga like getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. 35, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. I feel period. Oh, he ain't know. I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonga truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I got up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see it up by 5,000 money. Got the bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my collars, we second up Guala and Guala. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. The top shelf, got 40 designer belt. OPF, still at the new BMW. They gon' dump, got clothes in my right or left. And you drink out the car, ain't no key in there. What's up, y'all? So as y'all can tell, I am at the jewelry store. Y'all, how about when I got my toes done, I got so irritated because the dude looked like he was going out of order. And before he put the top coat, he sprayed like alcohol on the nail polish. That kind of irked me, but he said that he was doing it to make the gel polish harder. I don't understand it, because when you cure it in the light, that's gonna already make it dry and hard. But anyway, they came out great. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm finna get out of the car too, so give me a second, y'all. Okay, y'all, so these are my toes. They look so cute. I love the pink color. Turned out really good. So what's up, y'all? As y'all can tell, I'm back in the car. I got my necklace repaired. The clasp was broken, y'all, so I couldn't clasp it. But this is a baby I got about maybe a year or two ago. Love this necklace. I'm waiting on baby right now, y'all. Let me just tell y'all something. I was in that jewelry store, and y'all know that when you do content, people act so weird. So the lady in there, one of the ladies, was like, you know your camera's on? I said, yes, I'm a content creator. And then, hold on, y'all, baby's coming. There go baby, y'all. So baby is coming to pick up a money order. Give me a second. So yeah, y'all, it was two of the ladies was looking a little skeptical or whatever, honey, but then it was like two other ones in there that were very helpful and respectful or whatever. And this is my second time going to this jewelry store. The first time we got baby's ring size before we got married, and then I just got my necklace fixed. Y'all see, I love my baby. But anyway, yeah, y'all, they almost didn't get my money, but you know, it is what it is. And they fixed the necklace fast, and I hope that's where I left off before baby walked up. I had to give baby a money order. I picked it up for him while he was at work. But now I'm on the way, and that dinghy, y'all, is my seatbelt. I don't wear seatbelts all the time. It is what it is. But I'm on my way to Sally's because I want to get these little nail things that I like to put on. I was gonna get my nails done with acrylic, but I'm kind of in between. Like, do I want to get this new thing called Beatles Tripex, I think it's called. I found them on Amazon. Now I saw them on TikTok, but I found them on Amazon. So I don't know if I want to try those because it's like a gel situation that stick like acrylic, they don't come off. But right now I want to clean my nails up because they look rough. So I'm gonna get these little nail, I don't even know what they call, y'all, but I know you carry it under a lamp and they get hard as well. So I'll show y'all when we get in Sally's. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from Sally's, y'all. These are the things I was trying to tell y'all about. Now, I already have the little lamp at home. And yes, I'm driving now, but I already have the lamp at home because I bought these a lot of times. So yeah, I like to put these on. Now, from what I understand, you can put them on top of like acrylics or something like that, because I done that one time. But I'm literally gonna clean my nails up, you know, clean my cuticles up and all of that, and then I'm going to put those on. I might show y'all a little clip of me doing that. I don't really know. But right now I'm on the way to meet baby at the store so we can get dinner. Baby is gonna throw some stuff on the grill, and baby's gonna throw some stuff on the grill, and I'm gonna make some spaghetti just because for whatever reason I want a steak and I want some spaghetti. So baby said we'll just throw some on the grill. That way we can have like lunch for tomorrow as well. But yeah, y'all, so let me show y'all again, because y'all know I'm trifling driving, but there it is. Y'all can probably see it better. And y'all, these were on clearance, so that's really good because they like anywhere from 10 to I think $10 to $14, something like that. And one was 7 and one was 8, so that was a real good deal. And you can do probably, I think I can get about 2 sets out of each one, and then I have like some little random ones left over. But I have other colors of those at home, but white is my favorite, y'all, and pink. The blue one is new to me, but it was kind of cute, so I said I'll try it out. But I think I'm gonna do the white when I get home from the store. So I'll see y'all maybe when we get in the store grocery shopping. I'll do a little vlog a little bit.
conversation. Rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think I just put it in a song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you.
Okay, y'all, so y'all can see I am back home. Me and baby went to Walmart to get a couple of things. So I'm gonna give y'all like a little mini haul, and hopefully this vlog is long enough. I can't even remember all the clips that I got today, but we had to get gloves because baby cleans the grill out, and then sometimes when I deal with meat, I use gloves. So we had to get gloves. I got some candy. No, I don't need it, but I got some candy. Shredded cheese. Peppers. Honey. And turkey. Spaghetti noodles. I got some chicken bouillon and beef bouillon, which I should have got the big one, but I just got the small one to both until we go to Sam's and I can get the real big one. Got some smoked Gouda, some spaghetti sauce, and let's see, some shrimp. Baby wanted a ribeye, and I always give filet mignon. Filet mignon is my favorite cut. Baby likes ribeye. I like ribeye as well, but filet is my favorite cut. Italian sausage and a smoked sausage or a kielbasa. And I got some, baby got happy juice, but y'all know baby gotta have his happy juice. And then I got some apple snapple or whatever. So that's everything that we got. Not a real big on haul. This is for tonight's dinner and tomorrow. And then Friday I may do a vlog if I feel like it. I think baby is oh, he's cooking breakfast. I thought he was gonna do fish, but he's doing breakfast. Fish. But anyway, y'all. Oh, fish is Saturday, y'all. But anyway, y'all, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And y'all so happy I got my baby fixed. Oh my God, I miss my necklace. But anyway, y'all, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. Make sure y'all do get my lip oils. And y'all, this is from having it on all day. I think I reapplied one time, but y'all can see it's still shining, but not as much as it was when I first put it on in the car. And I think I reapplied once today. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all do shop QuiNichelle.bigcartel.com. Buy any and everything on the site and tell everybody about the site. Y'all already know, honey, we are out.
Okay.